Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between Samsung Galaxy A20s versus a Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. Y9 comes with a Kirin 710F processor with a 4 gigs of RAM, while the A20s comes with a Snapdragon 450 processor with a 3 gigs of RAM. So very interesting to see. And both phones comes with a triple cameras on the back. So let's see how much a difference between the Y9 Prime versus a A20s. So let's get right into it. So starting off by booting both phones up at the same time, and logo came up first on the A20s. And Samsung Galaxy A20s is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. Very small difference there when it comes to booting up, and we have a full HD IPS LCD display on the Y9 Prime with no notch, no hole, full view display, while the A20s comes with a water drop notch with the 720p IPS LCD display. So let's see the app's opening speed. So everything is closed up in the background, and phone dialer faster on the Huawei Y9 Prime, followed by the A20s. Launching the settings, again same result, faster little bit on the Huawei Y9 Prime. So moving on with the mic lock, same result, little bit faster on the Huawei Y9 Prime. So and you can see very small difference here. Launching the calendar, just a tiny bit faster on the Huawei Y9 Prime. So launching some more application, my files, that was about the same on both phones. So launching some games application, and let's see who is going to be the fastest one. First we have is the Candy Crush Saga, and Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 is faster there, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A20s, about 1 second difference there. Launching the Subway Surfer, and you can see full view display on the Y9 Prime with the 16 megapixel pop-up selfie camera, and Y9 is done, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A20s. Now it is also done, about 2 or 3 second difference here in this application. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, and again Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 is little bit faster there with the loading speed. And you can see now A20s is also done, and you can see, and the system based application as well as the game staff storing time, it is faster on the Y9 Prime. So last opening up the application that is called as the cameras, and that was about the same on both phones. Maybe Y9 is a little bit faster there. So let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using Google Chrome on both phones, same Wi-Fi network on these devices. So first website is the wikipedia.org, and Huawei Y9 Prime is a little bit faster there, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A20s, and the scrolling is very smooth on both phones, same thing with zooming in and out. So next website is the apple.com, and Huawei Y9 Prime is done, while the A20s is not done right now. And now it is also done on both phones, and again scrolling is very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. So let's see the important part of this video, the RAM measurement. We have a phone dialer that got refresh on the Y9 Prime, and 4 gigs of RAM versus a 3 gigs of RAM on the A20s. So let's see, and that is again refresh on the A20s. In my last video, A20s is performed very bad in the RAM measurement. I hope the RAM measurement will improve, because this phone comes with a 3 gigs of RAM, and the 3 gigs of RAM is enough for handling these applications in the background. if A20s comes with a great optimization, but the software inside the A20s is not optimized as compared to the Huawei Y9 Prime with a 4 gigs of RAM, and the internet browser is also a little bit refreshed there. And you can see overall I would say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Huawei Y9 Prime with the system based application as well as the games apps loading times. A20s is right behind in the game apps loading times. RAM management is little bit good on the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, but A20s comes with a very bad RAM management. I hope the RAM management will improve with some software updates. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between Samsung Galaxy A20s versus a Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.